Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called superdemo.com. So it will help you create interactive product demos in few minutes. You can showcase your product in the best light with interactive demos that can be embedded on websites and blog posts. As you can see here, this was one demo that is being created using Superdemo. So you can let the buyers experience the magic of your product before they sign up. They can show product features and benefits in an interactive, engaging way. It can help buyers understand your product's value and its posture. So let me show you how it works here. Now if you go in here, you can just start the recording and you can showcase your product here. Once your demo is available, you can use it in your various projects. So there's a Chrome extension of it is also available here. You can edit the story with easy edit options. You can share it and embed in websites. So you can create up to 25 demos for free. There is custom branding available. There is collaboration, and you can invite up to 5 members to collaborate on demos in the shared workspaces. You can group the related demos in workspaces. There is autoplay option available. There is call to action, using which you can empower your demo viewers to take immediate action with call to action features. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.